If you've ridden Frozen Ever After at EPCOT anytime in the last few years, you probably noticed something weird. The animatronics were glitching. Elsa's face was sliding off and Anna looked like a blank screen. Well, Disney finally shut it down and fixed it, and the 2026 upgrades? They are absolutely insane. Let's break down the new Frozen Ever After in under 2 minutes. So what actually changed during the 17-day closure this February? It is all about the faces. Back in 2016, Disney used projection mapping for Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff. Basically, they projected a video onto a blank face. It was cool then, but it broke down constantly. Now, Disney Imagineering ripped those out and installed fully physical, sculpted faces. Their mouths actually move, their eyes blink. When Elsa belts out Let It Go, she looks like a living, breathing character. The movements are infinitely smoother, and they finally match the incredibly high-tech animatronics we saw in Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Why does this matter for your vacation? 2 reasons. First, immersion. Kids are smart. They know a screen when they see one. These new figures make the magic feel real again. Second, reliability. Because they ditched the glitchy projectors, this ride is going to break down way less often. That means the line moves faster and you actually get to ride what you waited for without hearing that dreaded "we are experiencing technical difficulties" announcement. Because it's basically a brand new ride again, the crowds are massive. So here's your no BS strategy to ride it without wasting 3 hours. If you're staying at a Disney resort, use your early entry. Do not walk speed walk. Straight to the Norway Pavilion the second the park opens. If you're using Lightning Lane Multipass, make this your absolute first selection at 7 a.m. It sells out fast. Are you excited to see the new Elsa? Let me know in the comments below. And look, don't guess your way through Disney. Use our completely free drag-and-drop Disney World itinerary planner on our website to map out your perfect Epcot day. The link is in the pinned comment. Hit that subscribe button for more no BS travel hacks, and I'll see you guys in the parks.